It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty. It's my life.
Hi, good morning. So no, today is not a day in my life. To take you on a little trip and show you how to get free shipping supplies. Stay tuned. Since I'm going to the post office, I will pack and ship the sale I had this morning and will show you how to fold one of those little shipping boxes, which by the way, it looks complicated, but it's really not. So packing the little necklace I sold with a thank you note and some air bubble from past orders from online shopping to keep it secure. I am repurposing all the packaging materials I can, and that helped me save a bit of money and doing my part on recycling as well. The box that I'm using is a free small flat rate shipping box, ideal for small items, and once you're done folding the box in shape, just pull the sticker and fold the flap over the glue strip. These clear plastic sleeves are genius and it keeps your label protected from elements. They come in two sizes and this is the smaller one. There are two ways on getting free shipping supplies. One is going online to the USPS.com website, and the other one, go straight to your local post office. Post offices usually close for public at 5 o'clock during the week and 1 o'clock in the weekend. And I don't know about the small town post offices, but my post office has open doors 24/7 for customers to use the drop box like this metal latch door and supplies like this supplies corner with different size boxes. Check if your post office has one of these drop boxes and supplies counter. All the shipping packages I am showing you here are priority mail flat rate boxes or envelopes. They are tracked and insured and they are free of charge. Do not look at the prices that are written on those tags at the post office and only use priority mail shipping boxes or envelopes or plain self-sealing polymailers. You can safely pick up as many as you want to have a reserve at home so you don't have to go to the post office all the time. Time is money and gas prices are way up, so you can simply schedule a front porch pickup on the USPS website. There are 6 or 7 different size boxes and envelopes, and I usually pick up 10 of each so I can have an option when I'm shipping. During work hours, my post office has some trolleys where you can drop off your packages instead of waiting in line to drop off at the counter. And next to it, there are some boxes that are excellent to ship the shoes, and also a few of very large boxes that I use to ship large bundles. As a side note, if you have a sale that needs proof of shipping and the receipt, I'd suggest you get in line and drop off the package at the counter and keep the receipt until your purchase is accepted by the buyer. You can drop off the packages yourself, you can schedule a pickup, or you can just chase the postman. Hi, can I give you this? The first and my favorite shipping supply is this padded flat rate envelope. It has bubbles for extra protection and a sticky tape. You can fit in it anything that's lightweight, really, a blouse, a top, pants, small items. You can find this on the USPS website for free. It comes in pack of 10 and you can order a maximum 5 packs at once. My second favorite is this box that you can put shoes, and if somebody's ordering bundles, like small bundles, you can put it in here. It is 11 by 8 by 6 roughly. You will need a scotch tape for this, which I always order in packs of 6 from Amazon. I will link it down below so you can find it or take a look. They're really not expensive and it's a very sturdy tape. And this is what I order also on Amazon. It comes in packs of, I think, 100 or 50 pieces. It is coming in a few colors. This is really for sweaters. It is sturdy and it has the self-adhesive band here, and it fits bulkier but lightweight items, and you can really use it for any kind of shipping. If you work with Poshmark or any other platform, I think they allow this sort of shipping supply. It is also 9 by 12 or a little bit larger, but you can fit bulkier items because it's soft. Next must-have for me, at least, is the 9 by 12 cellophane bags. It really comes in different sizes, but this is the most size that I use. It is a self-adhesive as well. I always like to keep my items sealed and away from dust and bugs and who knows, because I keep my inventory outside in the garage, so I want everything to be ready to go when it's purchased. Again, I'm ordering these on Amazon and they come in different sizes, and I will link it down below in the comments. And supplies that are optional, again on Amazon ordered. There are the thank you notes, which they're really small and fit in any kind of bag. I'll just write a customized thank you note for my clients and thank them for purchasing from my closet and supporting my small closet, and seal it with another thank you sticker, which is really cute. And also I am using, sometimes, not all the time, I am using a little bit of tissue paper. Again, this comes in different colors. If I'm not mistaken, there are 10 colors that I will link again down below, so you can take a look and order if you like. These are optional, you don't have to use them, but I like to bring the smile on someone's face. And last but not least are these clear sleeves that I use for my address tags. These have the stickers on the back. You can just slap it on the package and you're good to go. And if you use a thermal printer when you print your addresses, you don't really need these. So this is what I use for my shipping supplies, and here's the USPS address where to go and order your free shipping supplies. To order free shipping supplies, go to store.usps.com, and under shipping supplies you will find all the envelopes and boxes that I presented previously, plus additional custom packaging. Here is the priority mail flat rate padded envelope that comes in a packs of 10, but you are limited to order a maximum of 30. The next one, you will see a few boxes of different sizes, and then the clear protective sleeves that's called custom form envelope. This comes in packs of 10 and you can order a minimum of 5 packages, which is 50 pieces. Further down, you have the small custom declaration pouch form, which is the smaller clear envelope that comes in a pack of 10, and you can order a minimum of 5 packages, which is 50 pieces in total. There are a variety of sizes and even a military care kit that comes with a few different size boxes, scotch tape, and clear pouches for your shipping labels. All of these supplies are free and permitted to use for Poshmark shipping, and I've been using them myself for the past 2 years without any problems. Of course, if you are shipping breakables, you need additional packaging supplies called fillers, which come at cost, like bubble wrap, foam sheets, and other cushioning material to keep your product from moving around and getting damaged during shipping. I hope everything was useful and I made your life a little bit easier, and shipping is not such a torture anymore. Thank you so much for sticking with me until the end. I just wanted to share my fast and easy shipping methods and make it easier on you to find the free shipping supplies and also ship the easy way, because time is valuable and we all want to run our Poshmark business the right and efficient way. And if you enjoyed this video and other videos that I'm creating, hit the notification bell on the bottom, hit a like or share, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!